Hello class! Before we will proceed to our proper topics, let's have first a course orientation. And let's start with the course overview. Your course code is the LED 302 for BTLED students and Module Field 302 for BSED students. And the descriptive title is Technology for Teaching and Learning 2. Credit units 3. And at the end of the module, you must be able to develop project or problem-based or inquiry-based collaborative plans and activities using technology tools. Second, you must be able to use open-ended tools to support the development of the project-based collaborative activities in subject-specific applications. Third, you must be able to produce learning resources using technology tools in various subject areas. And lastly, you must be able to use technology tools to collaborate and share resources among communities of practice. And here is our SLSU vision, a high-quality corporate university of science, technology, and innovation. And our SLSU mission, SLSU will develop science, technology, and innovation leaders and professionals, produce high-impact technologies from research and innovations, contribute to sustainable development through responsive community engagement programs, and generate revenues to be self-sufficient and financially viable. And to get the most from this module, you need to do the following in Module Guide. So first, understand the target. Begin by reading and understanding the course outcomes and every unit learning outcomes. These tell you what you should know and be able to do at the end of this module. Second, time management. Study how you can manage to do activities of this module in consideration of your other modules from other courses. Schedule and manage your time to read and understand every part of the module. Read it over and over until you understand the point. Do not ask about questions that are already answered in the guide. Third, be resourceful. If you do not understand the readings and other tasks, reread. Focus. If this will not work, engage all possible resources. You may ask other family members to help you. If this will not work again, text me first so that I can call you or text you back for assistance. Fourth, give your best. In doing the assessment tasks, whether formative or summative, target the highest standards. Do not settle with the low standards. Target the highest standards in doing your assigned tasks. Fifth, do not skip. Make sure to not miss any activities, either formative or summative activities. Do the required learning activities. Sixth, answer precisely. As much as possible, answer or do the task precisely. Hence, read the direction carefully to accurately follow the instruction. Also, read the question prudently to be able to decide on the correct answer. A reminder, make sure to give your answer completely and concisely. Your answers should be composed of complete and grammatically correct sentences. Do not use abbreviations and acronyms unless these are introduced in the readings. And do not write in text speak. Avoid writing in all caps. Seventh, submit on time. Do not procrastinate. We all know procrastination is a bad ethic, which means not being capable of doing work properly. Make sure to give time to your tasks given by this subject for you to submit on time. Once I receive your materials, I will inform you immediately. And lastly, be patient. I will make sure to give you feedback on your work to ensure that you are on the right track. While waiting for my feedback, continue doing the task in the succeeding units of the module that are scheduled for the finals. And by following these guidelines, surely you will be able to accomplish all the required tasks in this module. Just always remember this quote, where there's a will, there's a way. I know you can do it. And for your grading system, for your midterm grading system, and also for your final term grading system is your quizzes is equivalent to 15%, activities 15%, midterm long quiz 30%, and lastly midterm output, which is equivalent to 40% for a total of 100%. So your midterm and final term grade will be added and divided into 2 to get your final grade. For course requirements, we have here quizzes, activities, long quizzes, and term outputs or portfolio. These are the rubrics that we are going to use. These rubrics will also be uploaded to our learning management system. And if you have concerns with regards to our subject, these are my contact information. A reminder, when you will call or text me, make sure to specify your complete name, subject, year and section, followed by your concerns. Thank you and God bless.